Alright, I'm gonna teach you a really simple effect for this video. This is for beginners. So sometimes I show beginners, sometimes I show intermediates, and sometimes I show my students advanced work. But this one is going to be a really simple one, okay? You're going to have the two queens, and this is just a simple sandwich effect, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to have a card selected, okay? And you can have it signed if you wish. I'm not going to for this, but let's say it was a 4 hearts, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to do your favorite top control, okay? What I'm going to use here is I'm just going to use a reverse Hofstadter. So after I show it in the pack and I'm closing it up, what I do is I just come over like this, and from the rear I'm just going like this. See? Just reverse Hofstadter right to the top. Okay? Now, what you do, you can shuffle the deck, but Jerry Andrus' theory I'm going to use here is once a card's put in the middle, you don't cut or shuffle the deck because they don't know where it's at, but that gives it the impression that you've moved it. So you want to give it the impression that you haven't moved anything. So the card goes in the middle, actually controlled to the top, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to place the cards in the box. Okay. Now when you come over to put them in the box, we're going to use the Frank Kelly Master Move here. And what the Frank Kelly Master Move will do is, as you can see from an exposed view, it's going to move it below the flap. Okay? So from the top it's going to look like you're just putting the cards in the box, and you are, but actually you've done that Kelly Master Move to go underneath the flap. Okay, why are you going to do that? You'll see why in a second. Because what's going to happen here is it's going underneath the flap right there, right? Now it'll look like you've just taken the deck and put it back in the box. It's actually going behind the box. Okay? See? It's going behind the box. So once you put the cards in very cleanly, very slowly, so you're going to put the cards in the box. Now what you do at this point is you're going to flip over the box to show nothing on the other side without saying that. It's a subtle thing. And you're going to come over and you're going to just turn and see it's all the way back in your pinky here. So it's in kind of like a this would be kind of a curl palm position, but you're not going to make a move out of it. It's just going to be looking like this. See, then with your thumb you're going to flip this over. Okay, and what that will do is that will move it to the other side, and it subtly shows both sides of the box. See, so it's just like this. You're going to do it fairly slow, not too fast, about medium speed. So that will be like this. Okay, this moved into your pinky. Then you're just going to roll this over. So what it will subtly show is it will subtly show that there's nothing on both sides of the box. Okay. Now you're going to show the queens. You're going to have them examine the queens. There's only 2 queens being used. You're going to put one on the top and one on the bottom of the box. Okay, and this is very, very clean because they've seen everything, they've felt everything. I mean, there's only 2 queens, but actually you have that there, right? This is very, very simple, but sometimes the simple things can be very, very strong. Now here's a sandwich, okay? So you're going to square that up. Then you're going to take this off just a little bit, and now your fingers are going to contact that card, your middle finger, see here? And what's going to happen is when you throw this to the table, it's just going to look like a visual appearance of the card, and that can be done face up or face down. Usually I like to do that face down, and that'll be the configuration of the way you put those in the box. So it would actually be facing this direction, correct? But the nice part about this is that, you know, since this matches the back of the box, you know, if it was on a bicycle, then you could casually you could flash both sides. You know, I mean, you still can. They're not going to know anything. But with this one, it looks different, so you wouldn't do that. But the idea being, if this was face down, then you put one on top after they inspect the queens. And this is a really, really simple effect, but this is for beginners. This is a beginner effect. And then your middle finger is going to touch that, and all you're going to do is you're just going to throw that to the table, and it just looks like it goes straight through the box. So just a simple beginner effect for you. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share the video, and there you go.